We attended the Reed Dance Umhlanga in the Kingdom of Swaziland, one of the continent's best-known cultural event. Held every year at the Lutzitsini Royal Palace, this 8-day ceremony sees young girls cut reeds, present them to the Queen Mother, Indlovukazi, to repair the windbreak around her royal residence. During this ceremony, the singing of derogatory songs is not allowed, including the application of makeup and wearing weaves. This year, up to 100,000 girls took part in the Reed Dance, dressed up in brightly coloured attire, making it one of the biggest and most spectacular cultural events in Africa. Swaziland is one of the world's last remaining absolute monarchies. We spoke to a Swaziland cultural expert who dispelled myths about the culture.
They are invited to come to Swaziland to watch the culture, not to hear, to depend on hearsays. And watch the culture, because it's very beautiful and very interesting to see girls in their natural beauty.
But I haven't seen a lot.